Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your OLLO account. First of all, you need to open your Google Chrome web browser and in the top section over here, type down ollo.com and enter it after you're done. And you will be landing to the OLLO official homepage, and in the top right corner over here, we could see the sign in option. Click on that. And in order to sign in on your account, you are required with your email address and your password as well, and make sure you type down the correct password. And if you have forgotten your password or lost access to your password in your OLLO account, click on that in order to recover or reset your password. And if you want to keep signed in, the next time you want to log in, you can click over here. But if you do not prefer that, click back again. And after, you can click on the sign in option, and then you'll be successfully logged into your OLLO account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.